Hey friends, if you encounter error code 147-0 unable to start Office, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution is to update Office. Search for any Office application. I'll open Word. You can open Excel, PowerPoint, anything that you want to, and then open it here. Now click on File, and then after clicking on File, select Account. Click on update options and then click on update now, and it will start checking for updates. In my case it updated quick because the updates are already installed, but in your case it may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. You can work in the background. The next one is to repair and reset Microsoft Office. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps and then scroll down to Microsoft 365. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select advanced options and then scroll down, click on repair, then click on reset and then on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.